Hello.
Hello.
I can hear you,
Yeah.
but why the video is not on? Join audio. Okay, here we go. Okay.
Oops.
Yeah, hi Mukul.
Hello, guys.
Hi.
Mukul, are you still traveling to work?
No, I'm not, because this COVID thing is a problem. But like I was saying yesterday, basically, I'm going to unwind by the end of this month.
Acha.
Yeah, it's kind of just chill out. कोई
Okay.
फायदा
Okay.
नहीं है अभी वो लोग to travel by plane and all is risky, very risky.
Yeah. I know.
It was also taking a toll on my health,
Okay.
because constantly I was on the plane. Yeah.
Okay.
तो
Okay.
क्या है, एक दो बार करने से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हर हफ्ते जाना.
But you were traveling within state or out of state?
Out of state.
Because but
So I
the
was
state.
we have two divisions. One is in Oakland and one is in Phoenix. So Oakland is with California and Phoenix is in Arizona, right?
So
But
state.
the travel time is 1.5 hours only, यार Mahesh.
No. But state का वो restrictions तो नहीं था ना? I mean जैसे.
हाँ, वो टाइम नहीं था. वो कोविड के पहले बस.
अच्छा अभी restrictions भी होएगा ना अभी तो?
अभी वैसे restrictions नहीं है जितना पहले था उतना.
Okay.
So initially there were no restrictions, then they put a lot of restrictions, then they took them out, and now it's kind of somewhere in the middle. So it's not like India लोगों को कुछ परमिट की जरूरत होती है, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है.
Okay.
लेकिन मास्क वगैरह डालना बाहर वो अभी कंपलसरी किया है. तो किसी दुकान में जाएंगे तो मास्क के
Mandatory.
नहीं but state-wise restrictions are there. My son is in New York, so he can't travel to certain states. He can only travel to certain states.
Oh, really?
But मेरा जो लड़का है ना, like he went to Dakota. He went to Dakota, South Dakota on Thursday. So when he returned to New York, he didn't have any quarantine in New York. But there are states where you travel, then there is a quarantine in New York itself.
Oh, okay. I see.
So that's why I was wondering.
अभी हाँ वो होने. I don't know Mahesh, to answer your question. मेरे को मालूम नहीं है. लेकिन अभी क्या है ना, मेरा तो जाना एरिज़ोना में है. एरिज़ोना का भी वही हाल है, बहुत बुरा हाल है.
अच्छा ओके.
तो कैलिफोर्निया, एरिज़ोना, टेक्सास और फ्लोरिडा, 4 लोगों का बैंड बाजा बज गया पूरा.
लेकिन मुकुल why did it happen so sudden in states? इतना ज्यादा क्यों हो रहा है? Why it's the case?
Because they opened it up, यार. They said
nobody expected so much.
मेरे हिसाब से जो मैसेजिंग हो रहा है ना ऊपर से ट्रम्प के ऑफिस से, वो मिक्स्ड है यार. कभी वो कहता है मास्क डालो, कभी कहता है वो उससे कुछ फायदा नहीं होता है, कभी बोलेगा पता नहीं वो फायदा हो भी सकता है, आप लोग को डालने का तो डालो, मैं तो नहीं डालने वाला हूँ. So the message from the top has to be very, very crisp and clear, saying, guys, yes, it's an uncomfortable thing, but you have to wear mask because it does this and this, which has been supported by Fauci and all these people.
Yeah.
So this is very simple, यार. उसमें कोई सोचने की बात नहीं है यार. मास्क डालेगा तो जाहिर है कि उससे कुछ फायदा होगा. कॉफिंग होता है, स्नीजिंग होता है, पार्टिकल्स होते हैं. और अभी हम लोग गए थे दो मेमोरियल डे वीकेंड में वैसे घूमने गए थे बाहर. हमने सोचा यहाँ करीब बीच वगैरह है, वहां जाके थोड़ा सा टहलेंगे उधर. तो वहां देखा जो भीड़ लगी हुई थी बॉस, जो भीड़ लगी वहां पर, वो जैसे कि डिज्नीलैंड में हो यार. डिज्नीलैंड में हो ऐसी भीड़ लगी थी. और मैं एग्जैजरेट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मेरे हिसाब से ज्यादा 10% लोगों ने मास्क पहना होगा. ज्यादा मैं कहता हूँ 5, एक्चुअली मोर देन 5%.
It's like freedom, getting freedom.
It's like killing yourself, yaar.
Yeah, but Mukul,
proximity is like this,
Bad here.
Highly
contagious.
Yesterday or day before yesterday, Kapil, it was the highest figure, 60,000 and 42 something in one day.
Yeah.
See, Prasann, every day it's getting highest, You see Maharashtra, every daily basis they are breaking record.
Kapil, today it was 40,000. 40,000.
No, I didn't see today. I have not seen today the news. But
नहीं मैंने देखा 40,000 बोलता है इंडिया.
So it is every day increasing, and Maharashtra is on top. Bombay
Yeah.
also
Top,
is
yes, yes.
good only. So it is a bad state, not good.
लेकिन कपिल मैं एक बोलूं क्या?
हाँ, बोलो ना.
हम लोग का सिचुएशन है ना थोड़ा सा अलग है यूएस से.
हाँ बिल्कुल
हम लोग
बिल्कुल.
का दो चीज है. एक तो हम लोग को ये रोजगार नहीं है बॉस. लोग करेंगे क्या? अरे बच्चों माँ बीवियों को तो कुछ खिलाना पड़ेगा यार. तो उसकी वजह से उन लोग को बाहर जाना पड़ता है
सही बात.
यार. एक चीज है. दूसरा चीज पॉपुलेशन है. करेंगे क्या यार?
नहीं ये समस्या तो मुकुल यहाँ भी है. यहाँ भी है समस्या. यहाँ बहुत जन के वही
नहीं उधर
इंडिया की बात कर रहे हो.
इंडिया की बात कर रहे हो.
ठीक है.
नहीं यूएस में वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि यूएस में देयर आर ऑप्शंस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी इज 1/10. Right?
That's right. That only I'm saying. Yeah.
First thing, but why people have to go on beaches यार मरने के लिए?
That is wrong. They got misled of. Yeah.
It's so bad.
Freedom, just
it's so bad.
People
are with surfboards. People are with surfboards. People are in swimming suits. They are eating in restaurants. They are walking around on the sidewalk जो फुटपाथ पे है बीच के पे. सब चल रहे यार. You will think this is a time of some festival, Diwali, Ramzan, ये वो साला चल रहा है. Eid वगैरह.
It is bad. People are all mixed up people all.
So badly flared up यार. और यहाँ पर कहते हैं लोग, there are some videos floating around. Oh, it's my body, it's this, it's that. God created the breath in man.
Shit यार.
अरे तुम लोगों को मरने का है ना, तो रेल की पटरी है, चलो डाल दो जा. डाल दो उधर.
सही बात.
उदय
इसमें तो दूसरों को मारने वाली बात है.
हाँ मैं I will send you videos यार. आप they are already floating around.
नहीं व्हाट्सएप पे किसी ने डाला था एक लेडी का. वो बोल रही थी we putting masks. There's a right, inherent right. We don't want to use masks. There was a video on this WhatsApp.
और दूसरी चीज क्या होगी मालूम? वो अर्ली मार्च में यहाँ पर एक मार्च नहीं मे बी लेट मार्च वो स्प्रिंग ब्रेक का एक रिवाज होता है यहाँ पर. तो ये कॉलेज स्टूडेंट सब लोग मार्च में एक स्प्रिंग ब्रेक होता है 10 दिन होते हैं जहाँ पर ये लोग सब कॉलेज स्टूडेंट जाके पूरा साला गांड मस्ती करते हैं साला. They just go and do all kinds of weird things. They binge drink. There is orgies. There is you just name it, and that is normal, yeah.
Sure. No, but these times nobody expected it to flare up so much. It's highly contagious, and that is, nobody expected it like that. It'll hit.
I think the first couple of months went in just understanding what it was.
Yeah, correct.
But look at countries like Taiwan here. You guys must have heard about Taiwan.
Okay.
Look at Taiwan. Control here.
You see, they got messages from China. China, Hong Kong, आजू-बाजू में तो उन लोगों को मालूम है क्या हो रहा है अंदर. हांगकांग चाइना बाजू में उनको मालूम हो रहा है क्या हो रहा है अंदर.
Kapil, I want to ask Uday a question. Uday, going forward over the next quarter, what does HDFC think tank look at in the future in terms of money situation, economics, whatever? I'm sure you have your group think tank planning your strategies for the next quarters.
Not much into it. I think Mahesh is a better person because he's more into all that.
No, I'm talking about from an HDFC, inside
investment point of view. No, it's not going to be so bad. I think so. At least for HDFC, it's not going to be so bad.
Okay.
Because the second moratorium, though, very few people, lesser people have taken it.
Okay.
Other we convinced people saying that it is costly to do it. So we had a big. So everybody who wanted to, who applied on the net saying that they would like to have, they were counseled to see as to why they need to take it. If they had some issues with job and health and things like that, then it was okay. But people were just saying that's my right, so I'm taking it. Like even people who are working in a bank and getting their full salary should also take it just because they have a right to take it. But then we used to counsel them, and because there's no point here. Ultimately,
bandwidth का कुछ issue है.
Manita, you shutted the voice. Make it open.
Video बंद कर ले मंगता है आपका इसका.
इसका उदय का
Uday will have to close his video because his bandwidth is low.
Mahesh, what is your lookout on this part thing? Next 3 months?
No, next 3 months are bad. In fact, just to answer one point which Kapil missed, Kapil, we were discussing before you came, na? ये जो cases आ रहे हैं ना TV पे 1 million,
Yeah.
Actually the cases in India is at the moment is around 1.5 crore. Okay. Now Dr. Devi Shetty.
Oh.
Because you see, what is happening is when you test, you are able to say that. So Dr. Devi Shetty hai, the Narayan Huzrala, Bangalore. He says India will have 20 crore cases by the year end.
Yeah.
20
crores will come. Yeah. Because see, logically, this has to impact everybody, all of us. It's only a matter of time. It's like the common flu, na. Flu कभी आया था 1908 में, बाद में सबको आ गया. Only thing is, it should only come at a time when we have understood the science. On the science, there is positive progress.
Correct.
I'll share a video by this guy called Shekhar Gupta. He उसका video आया था Friday night को. He runs a print where he talks about the positive medical developments which are happening. Okay. On the economy side, things are going to be bad. But see, look at it this way. I mean, the positive side I see is India is the bloody only country in the world today which has shown its eye to China. India is the only country in the world which has got was $25 billion of money which has come into the country. What
during this time?
Sorry.
During these times.
4-5 weeks time mein, and the way I look at it, एक बार ये US elections खत्म हो जाता है ना. Once we know that Biden is surely coming in, then the world will gang up against China, and you will have large-scale, investments moving into India, because the world is sick of China. Yeah, people are fed up of China. So, but we have हमारे जो problems से actually COVID में we had bigger problems before COVID. There was demonetization, there was this GST issues. The whole economies have become deglobalized. Today, jobs are such a problem here. Automation is killing. I mean, just last week, Elon Musk has a company called OpenAI. They have come out with a mind-blowing, AI, which will throw the software industry out. I mean, it's complete automation. If you want, you can Google. The word is GPT-3. Just Google for GPT-3. Okay, there are people who are saying that this is as important as the iPhone and the Netscape Navigator. So, the pace of technology is such now that nobody can stop it. And that is actually for me, I mean, for us in India, that is a bigger worry, because automation spares no one here. It doesn't care whether, so that is a bigger worry, because we have to create jobs. And in India, tourism was one area where we could have jobs. Tourism and medical care.
Yes.
So medical care will grow, but tourism also till this COVID situation improves. But let's see, because I think worldwide things are going to be bad. But I feel India is. See, there was a video by this Dr. Velumani, who is the chairman of ThyroCare. I don't know whether I had shared it. It's a 1-hour video.
Yeah, you shared it.
Yeah, just watch it, because he says, in India, because of our BCG vaccination, because our number of cases, below per million are still the lowest in the world.
Yeah.
So we are lucky that way. Let's see, because everybody is in the same boat here. I mean, today every country is going through the same crisis, but India, because of our domestic population, I think we will come out of it here. We have to come out of it, because there's no other alternative here. Let's see how things go.
Political situation kaisa hai, Mahesh?
Very stable, yeah. Yeah, these I call them G2. Don't misunderstand me. Gujarati 1, Gujarati 2. Amit Modi and Amit Shah. I mean, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah. They are screwing everybody left, down, right, the center. Dekh Rajasthan में क्या किया, मध्य प्रदेश में क्या कर रहे हैं, महाराष्ट्र में I've been hearing rumors every day कि बाल ये अपना उद्धव ठाकरे जाएगा. See, they are very focused that way. We want complete control of the entire entire country. And opposition is not there. So, okay, as long as you have a stable leadership, it is good here. Nobody can touch him for next 3.5-4 years, and he's good for at this time. He's good for the country, I feel here. आगे देखते हैं क्या
Yeah,
होता है.
it helped against China. Yeah, it helped against China.
No, he's got the balls.
No,
That's for sure. You know?
No. Can I share something about China, because I am a sourcing agent in chemicals and solvents.
Yeah, please.
Have been connecting. Like I've got certain shippers in Hong Kong and Shanghai, and I place buyers for them. India mein there are buyers. They wouldn't know who's the right buyer and wrong buyer. So we as brokers act as intending agents. That's one part of my business, which is 20%. 80% is I broker between importer to buyer. Importer import करता है, उसके पास financial बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, limits होती है, bank limits होती है, सारी चीजें होती है. And many traders, they go further chain of to supply. So they don't import, they buy from importers. And the third area is there a lot of, share bazaar कैसे चलता है, Kapil? So a lot of future trade in our market happens. So my share with y'all is that when this March 22nd to 30th, we were in a bad shape, and through me in the market, around there was a 40 crore outstanding through Rajkumar broker. मैं घबरा गया था कि मेरी दलाली तो गई, मेरी तो I'm finished. Like how in demonetization you felt you finished. 8 days we were like in a very bad shape. Another 10 days we had a Zoom. That time Zoom had already arrived. This Zoom chat.
Just one sec. Asila, no cheating. Asila, you cannot come. This is a hello.
It's okay. It doesn't matter, yaar. Rajkumar,
ऐसा ही मैं मस्ती कर रहा हूँ.
No, she can't. She's helping him figure out, I think, because उसका audio नहीं आ रहा.
So I again was at a point when we had Zoom chats and we
all.
Yeah, let him speak. Yeah.
But shortcut, I'll make it very short. In that, we all decided that we should have our recoveries done, and we set a date. 25% तो लोगों को देना चाहिए. 2 लाख करके चालू करो. So we went on churning that. तो अप्रैल के महीने में, मार्च तो कुछ काम नहीं, अप्रैल के महीने में I did say business of say 3 lakh का मेरे को दलाली हुआ. My break even is 6 lakhs per month. Then next month I again reached 4. June at home I did all out dalali. I reached 7 lakhs. I decided to take up an office in Khar, and things moved further. I reached my targets, Amjad. In 15 days I could achieve my target. So industry is not that बंद हो गया. Industry is moving on. Start हुआ है. गाड़ी चल रही है. The essentials are doing very well.
Very good.
Many areas are doing fine. And as a chemical broker, I would say, गाड़ी आगे चल रही है और India will be very in a good shape. कोई घबराने वाली बात नहीं है. Ground level is good. MSG is being consumed. Citric is going. Camphor is in movement, and solid teji. Our market is dependent. 70% imports are from China. The API industry, the pharma industry will close if China का तुम import बंद करेगा. Because there are many products we are not making in India. तो तुम्हारे पास कोई choice ही नहीं है. तुम China से तुमको choice ही नहीं है. You cannot live without Chinese products in the chemical market, at least from what I am doing. मेरे पास काम होता है.
So you mean to say all the raw materials come from China?
All मतलब majority of them. See, in 1980 when I was in imports, that 80 to 90, there was no China on the map. 1990 it has come, and suppose I'll just explain you one small thing. A product called acrylamide made in Japan. So the Japan technology shifted to China. Japan में उसने बंद कर दिया और उधर labor cheap. The Chinese leadership allowed the industry to flourish, and today they are the largest manufacturing country in the world. They are making so many products which they are exporting to the whole universe. Even US is dependent. So हम लोगों का जो import है ना, Amjad, is say 10 rupees. हमारा export to China is just 1 rupee. That there's a balance deficit. Yes, हम कहाँ export करते हैं? China is number 1 यार. Marvelous है China यार.
I agree with you, Rajkumar.
Without doubt.
Yeah.
नहीं, आप बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हो. Nobody can beat them in all.
Yeah.
एक बार हमारे 20 soldiers मरे ना. There has been a sea change in sentiment. You go and talk to everybody on the road. Talk to the common man. I went to my mobile shop that day. बोलते साहब चाइना का कोई खरीद ही नहीं है. He had all his I+ mobiles kept. I said मेरे को non China दिखाओ. बोलते Samsung ले लो साहब. So there is a huge sentiment change at the ground level, which knowing Modi, knowing RSS, they will make sure that China, वो China को संबित पात्रा ने बोला, Xi Jinping को पता नहीं उसने किसने पंगा लिया. I agree with him because this guy is very, very determined. That way he will screw their happiness, which he will. But he needs support. Yeah, public का support चाहिए यार.
But just a few years back, Mahesh, I was deeply embedded in China. I was with L&T that time, and I was doing projects on the Mongolia border. In Chengdu was my office. Everywhere, you name it. I had about 7 offices in China. The sentiment there was so friendly for doing business with India, and now it has completely changed. You know?
No. See,
Okay, Prasanna, I would like to welcome. There are certain people who have entered. Rajpal, I can see it's there in the
Rajpal cannot see his video. Rajpal, put your video on.
Rajpal, Shailesh Shah is there. Where is he? Shailesh has come.
Shailesh is there. Rajpal
Abdul is back.
No, Shailesh is come. Welcome, Shailesh.
Hi, everybody.
Welcome, Rajpal.
Hi.
How are you, sir?
Hi.
Yeah.
Okay, Abdul has to say something. Abdul has to say something very important to all of us.
Bolo.
Abdul, it's your table now. Come on.
I don't know about my table, but well, it's a pleasure to meet all of you guys. Thanks to Prasanna for organizing this meeting. I think Prasanna organized it.
Yes.
And great.
अब्दुल एक मिठाई का डब्बा भेज दे पूना में उसके घर के ऊपर.
वो प्रसन्न ने क्या किया है? प्रसन्न ने मुझे आसमान पे चढ़ा दिया है as far as automobiles is concerned.
अरे he's looked after my last 5 cars यार. He's looked after all my cars.
उसको बोलने दे.
No, I do a lot of work, but well, it's all very, very, I don't know what to say. Thank God for whatever is happening. And Prasanna told me certain things about how do you take care of your automobiles in the monsoons. Now this is a very, I guess we all use our automobiles, and we all know how to take care of it. But well, I would want suggestions from you guys as to what you all are doing as far as your automobiles are concerned in the monsoons. Any suggestions?
Yeah, I stopped using my car from 3 months here. My गाड़ी using नहीं है.
That's a major. That's a major disaster for your vehicle, honestly, because I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what happens if you keep your car standing for a long time. Basically, what happens is your tires go out of round.
Okay.
So that's a very, very major problem. You have to move your car around, even for 1 furlong is fine, but you have to move your car so that the tires don't go out of round.
Yeah. When I say I'm not
the major problem is rats.
Okay.
They screw up. They come and bite all your wiring, and then you are stuck up with a lot of issues.
When I said I have not used it, means I don't take it to office, but I use it locally. Yeah. Locally use करता हूँ इतना वो नहीं.
Locally.
Yeah.
Fair. Yeah. As far as monsoons are concerned, my experience, I've been in this field for the last 40 years now. And what I feel is there is a very important aspect to maintenance in the monsoon. The main issue is not being addressed by any dealer or any dealer as such, as far as a service dealer is concerned. Even if you go to Mercedes-Benz or you go to BMW or you go to Audi, all cars have a ventilator panel. I guess you all guys know what is a ventilator panel.
No, we don't know.
No.
It comes below your windshield. There's a plastic panel where whenever you put your fresh air vent on, a flap opens up and then your fresh air comes in. Otherwise, when you recirculate your air, the flap closes automatically and it stays shut. In the monsoons, what happens is that there are certain vents, outlet vents given in the ventilator panel where water drains out regularly. Now, most service issues are not related to the ventilator panel. That is a very sad part of it. What happens in the monsoons is that whole panel gets flooded with water, and then you have a lot of issues of water coming into the car, stagnating a lot of the ventilator panel. A lot of cars have their ECMs also into the ventilator panel. So they get destroyed and you have a lot of issues. So that is a very important aspect of just getting the drainage of the ventilator panel being clean, which most people don't realize. Otherwise, Otherwise, well, things go on the way they are. In especially, well, what should I say is in the Mumbai weather, or coastal weather. I always feel that you should never keep your car under the stilt parking. You should keep it in the rain.
In the rain.
Why? Yes.
Achha.
The reason is there's a lot of salty wind that is blowing.
Yeah.
Moisture.
It all comes and accumulates on your car itself. If it is raining, this all gets washed out.
Okay.
Achha.
So that's a very, I mean, you will save your car from corrosion a great extent.
Okay.
So these are all points which, well, you got to take care of.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I can go on talking on a lot of things.
Yeah. You're very
It will be endless.
Yeah, good.
Rajpal, hey Rajpal, anything to say?
Yeah, Rajpal.
Say hello, whatever.
बैंगलोर में केसेस क्यों बढ़ रहा है इतना राजपाल? बैंगलोर में क्या हो रहा है? बहुत केसेस बढ़ गए.
Well, it is coming here late, no?
अच्छा, okay.
It has come in very late, and when they opened what do you call it, lockdown, we had all these guys all on the streets, double seat, triple seat, all going all over the place. Unbelievable.
Okay.
They opened up the pubs also a little bit. Now they've closed that also.
Oh, okay. That's funny.
So,
compared to the rest of India where no pubs were allowed.
Yeah. So,
but then Bangalore is a pub culture, no?
It is. Anyway, they've opened it now. Again, they have closed it. Now we'll see on Tuesday whether they're going to extend or not. So now we are under total lockdown again.
Okay. Till when?
Tuesday.
Till Tuesday. Okay.
Last 10 days it is total lockdown.
Oh, Shailesh, क्या खबर भाई?
Superb, all good, all very good, all very good.
और कुछ बोलना?
मुकुल तेरा ऑडियो
नहीं आ रहा है क्या?
बोल अभी स्टार्ट हुआ
अरे
मुकुल बोल.
Yeah, आप लोग daily वही routine है दोस्त, nothing new, nothing old. Only thing is now tomorrow I'm going for a long drive to Vapi.
Oh, okay.
नहीं कुछ काम आ गया वहाँ पे, so I have to go there.
But you got a pass?
I'll go there tomorrow. Yeah, I'll drive down, of course.
नहीं पास है क्या?
You got a pass?
गाड़ी से by car.
हाँ लेकिन पास है क्या? Pass to travel?
No, नहीं पास कुछ नहीं लिया मैंने.
नहीं, but you need a pass.
डॉक्टर का लेटर मिला है. डॉक्टर का लेटर मिला हुआ है. See, because we become into medical essentials, so the doctor gives a letter that it is an emergency surgery, so you are requested to come over there.
Okay.
So on the basis of that, I travel out there.
I've taken 2-3 doctors' letters from different hospitals, which allow me to take go around at least 50-60% of Pune, if I want to.
You know, but surprisingly, I've been told that there is not too much of checking being done anywhere. Inside the border, I had somebody, getting mangoes for me from Vapi. He's just coming and he says nobody stops you anywhere. There's nobody asking you for anything at all.
Oh.
So there is a lot of free movement which is happening everywhere. And that's a little bit... Sorry?
Yeah, how many people
they are tired now? Police is tired now.
They themselves are tired, and secondly, they are getting so many cases. They are in the front line.
Yeah.
So for them, it's a, they are scared for their own lives.
That's right.
वो 3 weeks पहले जो
doctors... Sorry, go ahead.
No, 3 weeks पहले जो हुआ था ना
BJP doctors.
Sorry, you continue. Yeah.
हाँ बीजेपी कहाँ?
नहीं बॉम्बे में 3 weeks पहले जब ये लोग ने गाड़ी को सब पुलिस people started arresting ना कि within 2 kilometers you cannot travel. वो 2 दिन बहुत chaos हुआ था. After that, then there was a lot of complaint and then now they have become quite lax. आप सही बोल रहे हो.
वो 2 दिन के लिए जैसा हुआ था ना, रेडियस में घूमना है इतना 2 किलोमीटर में, वो that has been taken off now.
I think they were more politically motivated. It was more politically because what happens, you just imagine this way, if so many cars have been caught, they are charging a fine of $2,000 from everyone.
Yes.
Where is that fine going? To whom?
Yeah.
So it has to go to someone who is the ruling party. They need money right now.
Yeah.
I think Ashwin
Bagde could be take, sorry?
Ashwin Bagde is coming in.
Ashwin, yeah.
Ashwin Bagde?
Yeah. Ashwin Bagade.
Ashwin, yeah.
So I have a very strong feeling that this has been all politically motivated.
Who? Okay.
Basically, this like 2-3 days when they had got a 2-kilometer range, it was not basically anything for anything else, because otherwise people are moving around. It's 2 kilometers for personal use. But if I'm going to office, nobody could stop me.
Right.
And I have gone right up to Kandivali, or I have gone to basically towards Masin Hospital. That's Baikala.
Come last week here, no? We met outside house. He came.
Yeah, we met. Uday, we met.
आपको नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन मेरे जो lot of my people I know, उनके staff को पुलिस ने पकड़ा है and they have fined them, 2,000 rupees whatever. उनका बाइक confiscate किया है, पेट्रोल बाइक का पेट्रोल खाली कर दिया हवलदार ने, बोला अभी जाओ ऐसे.
That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Yeah, that is crazy.
Okay.
Anyway,
that's quite sad.
Let's hope everything goes okay.
The whole
9.05
issue here is, as far as the lockdown is concerned, is discipline. What we see in Pune, the people don't have the discipline. I mean, that is what has to be inculcated into us, and that only police cannot do that. I think we need the army to see that people don't spit on the road, they don't do all this kind of nonsense, whatever is there, which is very far-fetched now. And Pune going the wrong way now, it's become a mess, absolute mess.
Yeah.
But I mean, that is universal, isn't it? If you go to look at it, what you're saying, it is quite universal, because everywhere you're finding people are behaving irrationally.
Correct.
You go to a market, if you go to, let's say, go to Ghatkopar or Dahisar, people are just hoarding and they're just moving as if nothing is happening to them.
Absolutely.
So it is not, I think it's not only Pune, it's all over India. We are not so concerned about ourselves. We are just taking it easily.
What I am saying is that ye gutka ban karo, okay? Where the spitting will stop. When the spitting stops, and then we have all these, a lot of these street boys and staying in one room, rented room, they all come down, and there is a habit of spitting with them forever. If all this has to stop, then things could come into a little bit of a control.
Yeah, right. But some of the places, gutka is banned actually.
On the road. What do you do?
Abdul, what you say is true, but I'll give a very simple example. Today, a packet of cigarettes is being sold for $1,000.
Yeah.
A packet of gutka, that 10 rupees or 15 rupees, is being sold for $200. Now, I got in my own society, my watchman, who has got a very initial stage of cancer. Now, I have sent him to the doctors over there, but he yet insists on having at least 3 packets a day गुटखा खाता ही खाता है. उसको पता चला वो कैंसर है, उसको बोला भी तेरा फर्स्ट स्टेज है, तू बच जाएगा, ये बंद कर. नहीं, मैं दवाई लूंगा पर मैं खाऊंगा. वो डॉक्टर बोलते मैं तो कम से कम 3 बार खाऊंगा. डॉक्टर बोलते ठीक है तेरी मर्जी. सो भी क्या करूँ ऐसे लोगों को?
I sympathize with that watchman.
He wants to die,
he has to do something, so he puts gutka in his mouth. Otherwise, how will he pass his time?
कुछ लोग को आदत पड़ जाती है.
But that is why we are saying the spitting and all those things happening. This is their culture. We are not yet hygienically tuned up.
Oh shit! Alaric is in town, but what's happened to him? Can you recognize Alaric? I can only recognize the top part of his head. Oh shit, man! Your dog.
Alaric, there is a halo on your head. Alaric, there is a halo on your head.
Just
put the light a little bit low. We can't see you clearly. Can you tilt your screen?
Put light on your face. Alaric.
I think you should turn your angle.
Sit ulta. Face the light.
Yeah. Alaric, we can't see you really, yaar.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Alternate light.
Ashwin,
Ashwin किधर है? Ashwin बागड़े कुछ बोला भी नहीं, किधर गया?
Let us hear him, man.
चालू बंद हो रहा है.
ऑडियो वीडियो नहीं आता है Ashwin.
I'm here, guys. I'm here. Can you hear me?
Ashwin, video on करो.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, Alaric, how are you?
Sorry, I'm multitasking here, so I was trying to get something done for my wife and at the same time listening to you guys.
Never do that. Big mistake.
अभी आया.
आया. There he comes.
Ashwin,
Yeah, so
बोल.
Ashwin, a few words from you. कुछ बोलो यार हमारे.
About what? About the COVID situation?
Anything.
No. Anything you feel like saying.
अभी कोविड से बहुत पक गए यार हम लोग.
या कोविड का पक गया. प्लीज कोविड अभी आज के बाद बंद. कोविड का बात करेंगे ही नहीं. ओवर.
बात करो कोविड मंगता. अच्छी बातें करो यार. अपन मिलते तो अच्छी बातें करो.
तो मजा आएगा. Let us create something good fun.
अरे मेरे को मुकुल अभी वो गाना याद आया मालूम. दोस्ती के ये प्रसन्न ने बोला था वो गाना बड़ा प्यारा है यार. उसके लास्ट का जो स्टैंजा तो इतना ब्यूटीफुल है कि वो दिए जलते हैं जो है ना. नमक हराम का गाना. रिमेम्बर?
बोल
दिए जलते हैं लोग मिलते हैं बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त हैं दिए जलते हैं. वो स्टैंजा ऐसा है. दौलत और जवानी
क्या बात है.
एक दिन खो जाती है. सच कहता हूँ सारी दुनिया दुश्मन हो जाती है.
दोस्त लेकिन साथ चलते हैं.
जाती है. सच कहता हूँ सारी दुनिया दुश्मन हो जाती है. उम्र भर दोस्त मगर साथ चलते हैं. दिए जलते हैं फूल खिलते हैं. बोलते ना कि उम्र सिर्फ साथ है ना. दोस्त ही चलते हैं. बाकी कोई नहीं चलता. कोई रिश्तेदार कोई नहीं.
Prasann, Anil Lalwani is there.
Amjad, coincidentally, yesterday was Rajesh Khanna's death anniversary.
Hi Prasann, how are you?
All well, Anil. Good to see you.
Yeah, so Mukul, hello guys. Ashwin, something to say. Ashwin, kuch bol.
Last 3 minutes, huh?
Yeah. 3 minutes. Come on, Ashwin and Eric. Anil.
Yeah, everything is fine here.
Okay.
In general, we, like I said, I think in a different chat, that people have been responding and states have been giving proclamations according to their own situations. But here in Virginia, generally, we have almost 90% open now, and things are getting back to normal. So far, we haven't started going back to work in the office, but working from home is working perfectly fine.
Great. Alaric, now we can see you, man.
Alaric, now better.
Alaric, Baba.
Yeah, just 2 minutes or 3 minutes left. Alaric, your turn to speak something.
Let's hear your voice, man.
Look at his daddy. Yeah.
Come on, Alaric.
He says he can't hear us for some reason.
Okay. He can't.
अरे Alaric, एक वेब सीरीज बना रहा हूँ मैं, तो तेरे को लेता हूँ विलन के रोल में. बॉस, एक किलर का रोल है, वो तेरे को लेना ही पड़ेगा. मजाक नहीं कर.
Okay, guys. चलो.
Alaric looks like Ramdev Baba.
I think we have just 1.5 minutes left. The thing is that these web meets will continue every Sunday at the same time.
Yeah.
And the next Sunday's planning will be done by Alaric and Sujir. It's up to them to get together and plan what the activities are. However, one thing that will remain constant is that we start the meeting with a small prayer for all our Theresians, that they remain safe.
We give you thanks Almighty God for all the benefits now as can first.
So today, in nutshell, the guys who came late, it was a prayer by Uday. Initially, there was a tabla by Mukul. There was a very good song by Mukul.
Prasanna, how many people remember this prayer? We give the thanks.
Yeah,
I don't know.
So
जल्दी बंद होएगा, guys.
Where is Kapil? Kapil किधर है?
I'm here.
Kapil तेरे को याद है?
Kapil तेरी आवाज सुनी नहीं आज जरा भी. Kapil दो last closing by Kapil. Come on, Kapil, give us.
I enjoyed Amjad's song, and the wordings are very beautiful. Any old song you take out, wordings are so good. They take you somewhere else. So
very Mukul. Kapil, you missed Yari Hai Iman Mera.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Mukul.
Yeah. Kapil, you missed Yari Hai Iman.
Next time, Maureen, words.
Okay, guys, it's closing now. Anyway, chalo, bye. Take care.
Thank you, guys.
Bye, guys. Yeah, bye.
Okay. Bye all.
Bye all.
Bye everybody. Bye.
Bye.
Drive carefully
Thanks
tomorrow.
for being
Be healthy and fit again in the next week.
क्या हुआ?
Drive carefully tomorrow.
Sure.